Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression without using the calculator. If we have 2 to the power of 20 minus 50, so we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. But you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. So we will show all of the working here. So that the very first step we are going to do is first we need to focus on the exponent of this term. So we have the exponent of this term is 20 and we write this 20 as 2 times of 10 minus 50. And here after that we will apply the nice exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m multiplied by n is equals to a to the power of m to the power of n. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and after applying this exponent law we write this term as a 2 to the power of 10 and its whole square minus this will becomes 50. So you know about 2 to the power of 10. So 2 to the power of 10 means that we will multiply 2 by 2 in 10 times in this way. This is 2 times of 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 2. So this will become here 8 times, and this is 10 times of 2. Okay, so when you multiply 2 with 10 times, so we know that it is equals to 1024. Okay, so you easily multiply all of these values, so you get 10,024. So when we replace this value here, so it will be written as in this form. So this will becomes 1024 whole square minus 50. So now our next claim is to find the value of this 1024, so that now we rewrite this expression as, so we write this 1024 as 1000 and plus 24 and its whole square minus 50. So now we will apply here the nice algebraic formula. So you know that if we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So according to this nice formula, we will write our above algebraic expression as in this form. This is 1000 square plus 2 times of 1000 into b is 24 plus b square, b is 24 square, and this is our minus 50. So now our next claim is to simplify the terms without using the calculator. So here we first focus on 1000 square. So in order to find the square of 1000, you just take the square of this one, and we know that 1 square equals to 1, and these 3 zeros square means that you will just double these 3 zeros. So when we double these 3 zeros, it will becomes here 1 million, and plus here we multiply this 2 times of 24, it will be written as 48, and this is our 1000. And plus here our next target is to find the square of 24 without using the calculator. So we break this 24 as we will multiply 24 with 24, and this is our 50. And now here in the next step we have this is 1 million, and plus when we multiply 48 by 1000, it will be written as 48,000. Plus here you multiply 24 times of 24, so we will break this 24 as 20 plus 4 minus this is our 50. So in the next step, first we add these two values by the traditional method of addition. So this is 1 million and plus 48,000. So this value is written as 1 million and 48,000, and plus here we need to multiply this 24 with both of these values. So it will be written as 24 multiplied by 20 plus 24 is multiplied by 4 minus this will becomes here 50. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as 1,048,000 plus so here when you multiply 24 times of 20, so here you consider these are two digit number, but this is our one digit number, that is 24. So when you multiply this 0 with whole number 24, you will get 0, and when we multiply 2 with these numbers, it will be written as 2 times of 4 becomes 8, 2 times of 2 becomes 4, and plus here we need to multiply 24 times of 4. So you see that 4 times of 4 becomes 16, we write 6 and carry 1. 4 times of 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 becomes 9, so you get 96. This is our minus 50. So further in the next step we need to sum up these three values. So here first we add this 1,048,000 plus 480. So when you add these three zero with this 480, so we just put these 480 up to these three zeros. So we replace these three zeros with these 480, because when you add this 0 plus 0, you get here 0, 8 plus 0 becomes 8, 4 plus 0 becomes 4, and this is our 048. Okay, so plus here we have this is 96 minus 50. First we need to subtract 96 minus 50. So here you easily see that 96 minus 50, then we will obtain here the remaining value is 46. So here we need to subtract 96 with this 50. So when you subtract 6 minus 0, we will get here 6, and 9 minus 5 we will get here 4. So this will becomes 46 only. So here our next claim is to sum up these two values. So here you see that 0 plus this 6 plus 0 becomes here 6, and this 4 plus 8 becomes here 12. We write 2 and carry 1. So this 4 plus 4 becomes 8, and 8 plus 1 becomes here 9, and okay, so you see that 0 plus 6 becomes 6, 8 plus 4 is 12, we write 2 and carry 1. This 4 plus 1 becomes here 5, and we have the remaining terms we will write as it is. So this is 8, 4, 0 and 1. Okay, so finally we have the final simplified form of the given question is 2 to the power of 20 minus 50 equals to 1,048,526. This is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.